Hello, I'm Dr. Dorothy. What's your full name, please?
Hi, I'm Sophia Sanchez.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. What's brought you in today?
I've had a sore throat and a mild fever for 2 days.
All right. Any cough or trouble swallowing?
A little cough, and it hurts when I swallow.
Have you taken any medicine so far?
Just paracetamol last night.
Good to know. Let me check your temperature and throat. Your temperature is slightly high, and your throat looks inflamed. It's likely a viral infection. Please rest, drink warm fluids, and continue paracetamol as directed.
Do I need antibiotics?
Not at the moment.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. I'll print advice notes for you at reception.